Prime tulpas inhabit the primary juncture and exist because of the reflection of a prime being. Because this tulpa is created directly by the prime being, this tulpa is a stronger, more stable being than a tulpa in Mirror World 1. Stability within a tulpa refers to the strength of the tulpa's connection to the world it was created in, the world it creates, and the world it inhabits. When the tulpas in a tulpa chain are in harmony, stability is easier to attain. So to say, if one tulpa in a chain is in distress, eventually that distress will spread through all the other tulpas. The prime tulpa is responsible for presenting what is the most cosmically true reflection of the prime being, and distress to a prime tulpa is most likely to manifest in the life of the prime being as distress in some shape or form, due to that reflection connection they share. Though they are the prime tulpa, due to their proximity to the prime world and their connection is the most stable, the prime tulpa is the tulpa that is the least likely to question the nature of their reality. The prime tulpa is unlikely to realize that they exist due to the reflection of a prime being. The proximity to the prime world creates a juncture so stable that the beings that inhabit it are relatively encapsulated within their own world, results in attempts to reach out to the primary juncture being quite difficult to reach. These primary juncture, as a world, is a mirror world that would be objectively most similar to the prime world, since people of the prime world do not normally question the nature of their reality. People of the primary juncture are also less inclined to question the nature of their reality, though this is standard in the primary juncture. The primary juncture is still a mirror world, and therefore tied to the metaphysical layer, spirit world, and the horrors, which exposure to which would be enough to make a prime tulpa question the nature of their reality, and in turn learn about the mirror world. A prime tulpa is unlikely to inhabit a world that is especially chaotic or much different from the prime world, with the key difference in appearance between prime beings and prime tulpas. A prime tulpa looks the same as a prime being, with the exception of an expressionless mask on their face. Some prime tulpas decide to customize their mask in order to make it more suited to their personality. As a reflection of a prime being, the prime tulpa does not necessarily have to be an accurate reflection of the prime being, as according to the perception of the prime being. The reflection of a prime being in the primary juncture is simply the most true reflection of a prime being. Because the prime tulpas create masks, all succeeding tulpas in their chain will also wear masks or some type of face covering. Within the mirror world, the true face belongs to the prime being, and all tulpas honor that belief, whether they know of the existence of the prime being or not.